In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn on incognito mode on YouTube. Incognito mode allows you to watch videos without YouTube tracking your activity or saving your watch history. To get started, open up the YouTube mobile app and then tap on the U button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, swipe left on these options at the top. Now you'll see an option to turn on incognito mode. So go ahead and tap, Turn on Incognito. Now at the bottom, it is showing you that you are incognito. To turn off incognito mode, tap on the U button at the bottom right. Then tap here. Now incognito mode is turned off, and I am signed back into my YouTube account. This is exactly how you can turn on or turn off incognito mode on YouTube. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.